This is a common question that we get. The truth is, siding has a minimal impact on the energy efficiency of your home. The majority of your energy efficiency comes down to your windows. This is why we tell homeowners all the time, if you're gonna replace your windows, the best time to replace your windows is when you're replacing the siding. One of the reasons is because when you're replacing your windows with your siding, it's possible for us to put windows in that have a nail flange. When we use a nail flange, we can better attach the windows to the home from the exterior. We can tape around them. We can ensure that your windows don't leak water or air. Siding has a minimal impact on the R value of your home, the energy efficiency. You are gonna get a good boost from replacing your siding. The primary reason for that is that when we tear all of your old siding off, we're gonna put a weather barrier, moisture barrier, like James Hardie's moisture barrier up. We're gonna tape the seams. That's gonna make your walls much more tight and sealed so that the air is not gonna be flowing in and out of those cracks in and around your home. A common myth is that an insulated siding is gonna have a big boost on your energy efficiency. What does that mean? Vinyl. When you get a vinyl product, a lot of times vinyl has an EPS foam attached to the back of it. When you put that product on your home, you're gonna get maybe a boost of R2, R3 insulation value. You're gonna get the same boost from James Hardie. You're gonna get the same boost from using a high quality James Hardie product to include James Hardie's moisture barrier with the tape, basically. James Hardie siding is superior for durability and aesthetics, but if you're really looking at improving the energy efficiency of your home, I would say to look at your windows first. We do Pella windows. Pella windows offer incredible energy efficiency for a number of reasons, and we can do those in conjunction with siding replacement. It's the best bang for your buck.